Hey everyone, Maddie from Detect Auto here. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you our customer concern tool and all the features it has to offer. To start out, you can use this tool in 3 different places here in Tekmetric: when scheduling an appointment, when creating an RO, and then also in the customer concern box right here. So for this demonstration, I'll be adding a concern right here. You can see that when I click Add Concern, our web extension automatically pops up. I'm going to click here into the customer states box, put in leaking, and then I'll select generate questions within the web extension. Our AI is then going to generate some follow-up questions to prompt your service advisor to get more information from the customer. I'm going to take a minute here to fill out some of these questions. So as you can see on each of these questions, we have this little chat bubble here. This is our Dig Deeper feature. When you click on the Dig Deeper button, what it's going to do is generate an AI question based directly on what the customer answered the previous question. So for example, what color is the leaking fluid? Customer says red. Now we're going to ask, is the red color consistent or does it sometimes appear different? Once I'm done filling out all the information I want to give it, I'm going to select Insert Summary. Now, instead of just a few vague words, we have an entire paragraph giving the technician more detail and helping them diagnose the vehicle quicker, and also creating less back and forth between the technician, service advisor, and customer, creating an overall better customer experience. I'll select Save, and here we have the entire customer concern. Now, this tool does actually have an additional feature as well. So I'm going to add another concern to demonstrate this feature. Up here where it says Customer Concern Assistant, I'll select this drop-down menu, and here I have all of our workflows or scripts. These are all ones that we provide here at Detect Auto. You'll receive them during your onboarding experience, but you can also create as many workflows as you would like that are custom to your shop. So what I'm going to do is, for this example, let's do fluid leak diagnostic survey. These are all preset questions. So these are not AI generated questions. They're going to be the same questions every single time you select this workflow. The only time that the AI is going to come into play here is if I generate a new question, which it will then add a question based on the rest of the questions you had previously set, and also if you use that Dig Deeper feature again. What you can do is you can go in here, let's put red, center, and then also remember you don't need to worry about spelling or grammar. Our system's going to fix that for you. And then let's do driver's side. I'll insert the summary here. And now I can go back if I want to ask some additional questions or diagnose another concern that the customer has. I can then switch back and forth between the workflows and our AI customer concern assistant. If you have any questions here regarding this tool or any feedback for us, please reach out to us here at Detect Auto.